Today, we'll be showing you how to enter diagnostic mode on this GE electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. To enter diagnostics, we need to press a sequence of buttons. And the button sequence would be you hold start and you turn the knob 180 degrees. Well, since there's no light indicators on here, it's kind of hard to tell how far to go. So we're going to count 6 clicks. Now the display has to be off. You'll press and hold start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You let go. Now the whole display is going to illuminate. It's going to blink a couple of times. Once it blinks, this is going to tell us that we are in diagnostic mode. Now to go through different portions of diagnostics, you're going to turn the knob, and each portion is numbered. So we turn the knob, you'll see number 1 on here, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. Now, number 1 is an important one because this is the fault codes. Now, once you get to the sequence that you want to activate, you simply press start, and then it will take you into the fault codes. Now, currently there are no fault codes in this system. If there was, the first one would pop up. Every time you press start, the next one that's in sequence will pop up. Now, the fault codes are numbered just like your sequence numbers. Some of the fault codes you might find is an F1 for an inlet thermistor, a 2 for an outlet thermistor. You might find a 6 for a stuck button, a 11 for a blocked vent, or you may see a 13 for a door switch. Now, depending on the fault code that you have in here, make sure you go to your owner's manual or tech manual to find out which code goes to which portion. Now, once you are done with the fault codes, in order to go to the next sequence, just turn the timer knob, and of course, we are going to go to the next ones. Now, number 2 is going to be a personality ID. Number 3 is going to be a software version. 4 is a software version. 5 is a software version, 6 is the UI, and 7 is the UI. Now once we get to 8 is an actual test. This is for your outlet thermistor. As soon as you press start, it's going to turn on the motor and it's going to give a reading up here of what your outlet thermistor is reading in Fahrenheit. So let's go ahead and press start. And it's going to turn on the heater, and you should see it increase while the dryer is going. This is how you're going to test your outlet thermistor. As you'll see, it is going up. Now, once you're done with the test, just open the door. It will turn off the motor, it will stop heating, and then you can go to the next test. Number 9 is very similar to the previous one. This is an inlet thermistor test. We have a number 10, which is your moisture sensor test. 11 is the door test. Now, this is kind of nice because if you press start, it will show you if the door is closed. You can open the door. It will show you that the door is open. And of course, go on to the next one. The next test is another door latch test. Number 13 is very important. This is going to clear all of the error codes in the system. Now, when you are at 13, in order to clear them, just press start. This will clear the error codes. We can go on to the next test, so on and so forth. Now, number 14 and 15 are personality IDs. What I want you to do here is just go ahead and press and hold power until your machine turns off. And this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.